Hey y'all, it's soup season and I am ready to teach you how to make my famous broccoli cheddar soup. So stick around and I'll show you exactly what you need for this recipe. I like to start off by chopping up 2 healthy heads of broccoli. I'll clean that in my strainer and then I'm going to season them with seasoning salt for flavor, black pepper, and about 2 to 3 slices of butter. I'll then put my stove on a low-medium heat and cook them for about 10 minutes until they're a little tender. Next, I'm going to add a new pot to the stove on more of a medium heat, and I'm going to add a half stick of butter, a spoon of garlic, and then I'm going to do about 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This is how it should look after about 30 seconds of stirring. Now I'm going to start on my dairy. The recipe does call for 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, but I like to use 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of milk. It could be any kind of milk. I'm using 2% today. I've tried oat milk before. It works just as good. It's like a healthier choice. But I just want to loosen up the soup a little bit because it's already going to be thick and creamy. Now I'm adding 2 cups of chicken broth. It looks like 4 cups, but I'm at my mom's house right now, so I'm working with a half cup measurement. So 2 cups of chicken broth. Now I'm going to lower my heat and add some of my seasonings. I'm adding salt, black pepper, and paprika. I lowered my heat a little bit just to give myself some time to stir out the lumps from the butter, flour, and garlic, but don't worry, it'll all be gone by the time you're done with your soup. Now you'll see me adding my sour cream and cream cheese, and then I'll be adding a little more seasoning after that. So here I'm stirring out some lumps again. Eventually I'm gonna have to start using my fork because I didn't bring my whisk to my mom's house. So just whisk that up as best you can to get those lumps out. Again, it'll be gone by the time your soup is ready. Here I added a little more salt and pepper. Now I'm adding my Italian seasoning. Now you're going to add about 2 cups of shredded carrots to your mixture and stir that in. Now I'm going to add in my steamed broccoli, and I'm going to keep my heat low just so that I can blend all my flavors together. It's time to add the cheese. I'm gonna suggest 2 cups of cheese. Any kind of cheddar is fine, but I'm using sharp cheddar because this is broccoli cheddar soup, so I need that cheese to stand out. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of soup to the side for my baby so that I can add my secret ingredient. That's right, red crushed peppers. Don't knock it till you try it. And in 30 minutes, dinner is served. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we can come up with new soup ideas every season to make from scratch. Let me know how this recipe turned out for you. Bye guys. All in love with